Hey, it's Brenda with Luke's, back with another sewing suggestion for you. One of the things that we are doing as we expand our hobby is we're sewing on a wider variety of fibers and materials. What I have here today is a piece of vinyl, or it could be leather. This type of material sometimes doesn't feed as well as we would like. It's not as easy to go smoothly over those bumps and those ridges. You see, I've folded this for 4 layers. So we have a new foot here at Viking. It is a roller foot. So what that does is it allows me to smoothly go over layers of fabric. And this works well with minky, with leather, as I mentioned, or vinyl, or even think of this as denim as you're going around denim, which is a heavy fabric going up and over that hump on the side seam. So I'm going to drop this into gear. And as we go, we see that it rolls kind of like a little all-terrain vehicle. We're coming up on the hump, up and over. You saw it pop a little wheelie. I'm going to hit my scissors and show you the stitching. Because this foot pivots like this and it has little rollers, it goes up and over those layers, smooth like a dream. Gives me nice, clean, even stitching. So a new foot to add to your arsenal, the roller foot from Viking. I do want to mention that Janome has one as well. Come see us here at Luke's. Till next time.